heavy equipment and industrial manufacturers. In today's complex market, configuring intricate products, bundling essential services, and generating accurate quotes quickly can be a massive challenge. But what if you could streamline this entire process? What if you could empower your sales teams, distributors, and even customers to build the perfect solution with AI guidance, all from one intuitive platform? That's the power of Service CPQ's product. Let's begin our tour on the Service CPQ product configurator homepage. This dashboard provides a centralized hub for all your configuration needs. Here, you can quickly initiate a new configuration, manage product data, and access powerful tools like our Smart Configurator. Notice the emphasis on AI-powered recommendations. Our platform leverages artificial intelligence to guide users, ensuring optimal product-service combinations and real-time pricing from the very start. From here, users can easily browse your entire catalog of industrial equipment, filter models by power range, size, and category. Each product displays its base price range and available variants, giving a clear overview. This intuitive interface ensures that sales teams and customers can quickly find and understand the core offerings before diving into detailed configuration. Service CPQ enhances efficiency by allowing you to save and resume configurations or compare revisions, providing a full history of all your quotes and builds. This eliminates redundant work and streamlines follow-ups. Furthermore, our Scenarios and AMP use cases feature helps users choose from pre-built configurations tailored for specific industries. Behind the scenes, the admin panel provides complete control over your product data and business logic. Here, you can manage models, variants, feature groups, configuration rules, technical specifications, add-ons, and sales scenarios. It's also where you handle integrations with systems like SAP and manage users. This centralized management ensures that your sales team always configures with the latest, most accurate product information and pricing rules. Base model plus scenario. Now, let's see the configurator in action. We begin by selecting a use case, for example, construction. Our AI immediately provides a recommendation for the optimal base model, in this case, the XYZ200 standard, based on market trends and customer feedback. Upon selecting the recommended XYZ200 standard, its key features are shown. We then move to configure technical specifications. You can see options for engine type, cooling system, and environmental options. This section is fully customizable to display only the relevant features for your sales process. Next, we easily integrate value-added services and components in the add-ons section. We can select a premium AMC, 2 years, for proactive maintenance, add digital monitoring for real-time insights, choose extended warranty for peace of mind, and include a basic parts kit, along with relevant accessories. Service CPQ also empowers your sales team with flexible pricing. By enabling negotiation mode, we can offer a bundle discount of $2,500, make the AMC contract free, and apply a special discount to the digital monitoring services. The AI assistant provides immediate insights into potential savings and optimization opportunities. On the summary screen, we see a complete overview of the configuration, including the base model, technical specifications, and all selected add-ons. The total investment is clearly displayed. You can choose between itemized or flat-rate pricing, and even present financing or lease options. BOM check. With our configured product saved, we now move to finalize the proposal. First, we add or select the customer details associated with this project. Service CPQ then automatically generates a detailed bill of materials, BOM, ensuring every component, part, and service bundle is accurately listed for precision in manufacturing and fulfillment. Even at this stage, you retain full control. Our platform allows you to adjust pricing if required, applying additional discounts or special rates as needed, based on negotiation or unique customer agreements. Once pricing is finalized, you can effortlessly generate and send out the professional quote directly from Service CPQ, complete with all configured details, terms, and conditions. The process doesn't stop at quoting. Service CPQ provides a seamless transition from sales to operations. Once the quote is approved by the customer, you can convert it directly into an order with a single click. Sales and service automation with Service CPQ. Visit servicecpq.com or click the link below to request your personalized demo today. Visit servicecpq.com, request a